Hey YouTube, it's Aqua. And do you ever use Stream Deck and it says waiting for settings? Okay, so the best way to figure this out or to fix this with OBS or any OBS type, you need to go to your settings up top here and check for updates. Basically, your Stream Deck needs an update. So once you install the update, it should start working after it updates. So we're going to come back when the update prompts are finished and we'll go from there. And now that the update is finished, you should be able to just launch the Stream Deck and it should start working after that. All right, it is back on, and then I'm going to click on a program here. And look, waiting for setting is over. So now you are good to go and it should be working now. I'm going to try the pause button to see if it works. It definitely worked. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.